Now exercise 2.1, second question. Write the coefficient of x square. Let us see the second question. In the second question, we have to find out the coefficient of x square. This is x square and the coefficient of x square is 1. Basically, most of the students used to write the coefficient of x square is equals to 1. But we are having negative 1. So we must write coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square will be equals to minus 1. That will never be equals to plus 1 because we are having negative x square. So the coefficient of x square is minus 1. In the fourth question, if we observe here, the term of x square is not there. Then what is the coefficient of x square here? In this case, the coefficient of x square will be equals to 0 because there is no term of x square in this question. That's why we can write here coefficient of x square is equals to 0. So this is the solution for this question. Fourth question, write the degree of the given polynomials. So let us see the very first question. As we know, degree is the highest exponent. So in this case, the highest exponent is 3. So we can write here degree for this polynomial must be equals to 3. Now for the fourth question, if we observe here, in this case the value of degree will be equals to 0. Let us see how the value of degree is equals to 3. 3 can be written as 3 multiplied by 1. There is no impact on 3. 3 multiplied by 1 will be equals to 3. Now here 3 multiplied by, on the place of 1 we can write x to the power 0. Anything carrying power 0 is equals to 1. That's why we can write 3x to the power 0. Now here if we observe here, what is the degree of this expression? The degree of this expression is 0. That's why I placed here 0. Now let us see the fifth question. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. As I explained, according to the degree, we can categorize the polynomial like linear, quadratic or cubic polynomial. If the value of degree is equals to 1, then the given polynomial will be equals to linear polynomial. So here if we observe the fourth question, this can be linear polynomial. Linear polynomial because the value of degree is equals to 1. Now if we observe very first question, here the value of degree is equals to 2. That's why this can be quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Now question number 3 is also quadratic because the value of degree is equals to 2. So we can place here quadratic. If beside this, suppose we are having degree equals to 3. For example, 3x to the power 3 minus 4x square plus 7x minus 9. So this can be the example of cubic polynomial because the value of degree in this polynomial is equals to 3. That's why this can be the example of cubic polynomial. But the very first one will be quadratic because the value of degree is equals to 2. Second one will also be equals to quadratic because the value of degree is equals to 2. Third one linear because the value of degree is equals to 1.